There's a doggy. Speaking of doggies, come on, Scraps. Let's go. Come on, dude. Scrap cam.
Hi, brother.
Hi.
Memorial Day. Yay. Wow, there's loads of little strawberries.
Wild ones?
Yeah.
Wildfire.
What's that plant?
Tasty.
Yummy. Peyote.
Mommy can't get up the hill.
She thinks she's a seal. There's so many dogs down there.
Are they on leashes?
Nope.
Just running wild?
Okay, just let Martha go. She'll be fine.
Maybe I can let my brainless one go.
No. Well, he might go back up and stay. Martha's sitting around though. Yeah, but he's hot. I can't move because there's a dog in my way.
I got some dog issues myself going on here.